In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer videos from Terabox to your gallery on both iPhone and Android. So just follow these steps exactly. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the Terabox app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. And if you don't have an account yet, just sign up and log in. Now, once you're inside Terabox, what you want to do is go to the Videos section, which you'll see at the top of the screen. Now from here, just find the video that you want to save to your phone, and once you find it, just tap on the video. Now after that, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Now from the menu that appears, look for an option that says Download to Mobile Phone, and just tap on it. Now wait for the download to finish, and once it's completed, the video will be saved directly to your phone. Now, to confirm, just open your Gallery or Photos app and you'll see the video there ready to watch. And that's it! Your video has been successfully transferred from Terabox to your gallery on iPhone or Android. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.